The Philippines has made significant strides in improving its internet infrastructure, particularly with the advent of 5G technology. This advancement positions the country within the broader context of internet improvement in Asia. Here's a comprehensive overview of the situation. 1. Current state of internet in the Philippines. Historical context. The Philippines has faced challenges with internet speed and connectivity, often ranked lower in comparison to its Southeast Asian neighbors. Factors contributing to this lag include underinvestment in infrastructure and market monopolies. Improvement initiatives. The government and various stakeholders have recognized the need for improved internet services, leading to initiatives aimed at enhancing connectivity, particularly in rural and underserved areas. 2. The rollout of 5G technology. Adoption of 5G. Major telecommunications companies, such as PLDT and Globe Telecom, have begun rolling out 5G services in urban areas. This is part of a broader strategy to enhance user experience and accommodate the growing demand for data. Impact on speed and connectivity. 5G technology offers significantly faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and improved capacity for handling multiple devices. This can dramatically improve everyday internet experiences for consumers and businesses alike. 3. Economic and social implications. Business growth. Enhanced connectivity through 5G is expected to foster innovation and the growth of tech startups, particularly in areas such as e-commerce, telehealth, and digital finance. Education and remote. Improved internet services facilitate better access to online learning platforms and remote work opportunities, which have become increasingly important, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. 4. Challenges and considerations. Infrastructure investment. While 5G infrastructure is being deployed, challenges such as high costs and the need for significant investment in network infrastructure remain. Regulatory environment. There is a need for a supportive regulatory framework that encourages competition among providers and ensures equitable access to high-speed internet across different demographics. Digital divide. There remains a concern about the digital divide, with urban areas benefiting more from improvements than rural or remote locations. Addressing this gap is crucial for inclusive growth. 5. Comparative context in Asia. Regional trends. The Philippines' move to implement 5G technology is in line with trends observed in several Asian countries, such as South Korea, China, and Japan, which have already set benchmarks for high-speed internet deployment. Learning from peers. The Philippines can learn from the experiences of other Asian nations in terms of regulatory frameworks, public-private partnerships, and urban-rural internet strategies. The implementation of 5G in the Philippines heralds a potential transformation in the country's internet landscape, enhancing economic growth, social inclusion, and overall quality of life. However, the government, industry stakeholders, and civil society must continue to address existing challenges to ensure that the benefits of this technology are widely distributed across the population. As the country moves forward, ongoing investment in both infrastructure and innovative solutions will be key to realizing the full potential of 5G connectivity.